Asuntoskeittiö Mika Salpa.
Today it's the 9th of September 2021. We have Laajametsänkuja, Bredskogsstigen 6 staircase E here in Martinlaakso, modernized, Länsi Vantaa, Väster Vantaa, Väster Vantaa in Helsinki-Region, Uusimaa, Finland. The capacity is 3 persons of 25 grams. And now we have only the sticky steel left to be accessed in this building. All the rest is filmed. We're filming this one now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this also is very early type of 8 fixtures introduced in 1971, also built in 1971, turned 50 years old this year in 2021. With the Kone logo here, 6 floors. Stoppen lampatasarjan B6 type. It will be inspected in 2023 and the serial number is H25171. Yes, amazing. Then APC is still completely against 6 from 1971.
Yeah.
And let's take us again to the Sinatron.
Spectate parking lines. Me eteenpäin Suomi hissirakaan.
Yes. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And let's hope we will also get to the very last staircase in this building, the staircase.
That's